All right, so 1.4 number 10, this one's talking about the Great Pyramid of Giza. And what's given here is the Great Pyramid has a base side length of 755 feet. And the original height there, is that frozen? The original height, okay, so original height. Now, why do they say original? Someone asked me about this. They say original because if you remember in the pictures in the textbook, that a lot of the edge pieces or the side pieces have fallen off. So some of that has chipped off over the years. So the original height, original surface area, they're talking about when it was originally made, what would all of this have been. So they're just accounting for, the pieces that would have chipped off. So you'll see in the pictures it's kind of like this, and it has like a kind of like a cap on it, but this is like all chipped off and eroded a bit, you see. So they're saying, what would the original surface area have been had it not been chipped off there? So the original height is 41. That's the height from the center of the base to the tip. So remember, when you're drawing your pyramid like this, okay, no, that's not really the center of the base, is it? So the center of the base is here. So here we go. So the original height is 481. That means that's this height right here. In order to find the surface area of the exterior, the surface, we have to find, for each lateral face, we have to find, oh boy, it's a terrible line, but we have to find this slant height. So that's what's tripping most of you up here. So let me just get you a start on here. So this is 481, the height. So what we have to do is we have to focus on this right triangle inside the pyramid, which would look like this. This is 481, the height. This is going to be half of 755, okay, because it's half of this base. And then this is the S slant height that we're trying to find. All right, so let's find out what 755 divided by 2 is, first of all. Maybe some of you have done this, but you use Pythagoras' theorem. And trying to get my calculator going here. There we go. Computer's taking a little bit of time today. Oh, wow. We got twins. Congratulations. We have twins, everyone. Okay. Wow. Ooze and booze. That's what we'll call them. Very biblical names. Do you guys know that ooze and booze are in the Bible? Brothers? Yeah. Ooze and booze. Probably my favorite twin names. Okay. Actually, I don't know if they were twins. They're brothers. Anyways. So, 795. Wow, little rabbit trail there. 55. 755 divided by 2 is 377.5. So, I'm going to do this. I'll try to do this quick. So 481 squared plus 377.5 squared equals S squared. Or the square root of all of this equals S. Okay, so you could probably do that on your calculator, just all in one calculation if you wish. So I'm going to try and do that here. So S equals 611.4468. Okay, on that calculation. So that's going to be S, and that's going to be important now for our calculations. So the net diagram, I'll do it in black over here. The net diagram, here's our square-ish. 755 there. We have 4 triangles forming this pyramid that would be laid out like this. And the height now of each of these triangles is going to be 611. So if you use that number, then you should get the right number. So surface area is going to be 755 squared plus 4 times, so 1/2 base times height. So 4 times 1/2 the base, which is 755, times the height, which is 611.4468. And then that should get you your surface area. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we don't want to find the base area because it's just surface area. So remember, this is sitting on the ground. So we're just finding the lateral area. So it's just this one, correct. So this surface area of just the lateral face is exposed to the air then 92328.4.743. Now, should we round this off? Does it, nearest foot? So that's going to be 8.5, right? The nearest foot. And that's going to be square feet.
Wouldn't it be 8.4 because you round down?
Why would you round down?
because I thought it was 4 and below, you round down.
No, but what, okay, so what you do is you look at the next number, okay? So this 4, you look at, in order to round to this number, you look at this number, yeah. If this is 5 and above, you have to round up, yeah. So it's not the number that you're rounding you look at, it's the one to the right of it, yeah. Good, I'm glad you said that actually, because, yeah, that's good to clarify that. Okay, anybody else? Questions about that, or does that look good now?
All right, it is time for
Okay.
the last group. You are not forgotten. That is grade 11 boys. Come to the grade 12 hallway and sign up. And also grade 9 boys, come to the other